Is that your subs? I smell them a little bit.
It's a new Recon.
Oh, okay.
Brand new Recon, hasn't been broke in. It sounds cleaner though, it's smoother.
What's your name, man? What's in here?
My name's Sawyer. You got a demo for me one time before, and then now it's got a different port. It's on two MD8Ks now.
Orion HCCAs?
Yep. Same subs.
6th order?
Yep.
Did you build this?
No, Jake Zimmerman did. SDK.
Okay. Yep. Is this an 8-inch or a 6?
That's an 8-inch.
Nice. What are the peak tunings on it?
Right now it's probably peaking at around like 34,
okay.
33. I wanted to go lower, but you have to be like within, like you can't go more than 4 inches between the top and bottom or the bottom now.
Yes, sir. Nice.
So I'm kind of stuck at that 30 hertz range.
Yep. Yeah, I love to hear it, man. Uh-oh.
It'll go back up. It'll just come right the hell back off.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
And I broke my door.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the first demo it did that.
Dang. It still likes what, high 30s to what, 60 hertz or something like that?
That port maybe dropped it down 2 hertz.
Yeah.
If that. And it didn't really make much difference.
Yes, sir.
It sounds cleaner though. It's smoother. You know?
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Where's your amps at?
On this side, that side is the mid-range. It looks sloppy.
Can I see the amps?
You gotta jerk on it. You gotta pull it hard.
There you go.
The DSP's not even hooked up. That's why the highs aren't even hitting.
Nice. Is that your subs? I smell them a little bit.
That's a new Recon.
Oh, okay.
Brand new Recon, hasn't been broke in.
I'm coming over.
Well done, man.
How you open this one?
Same way.
You're good, man. All right, this is the Sundown 2021 show. About to get a demo. 2 Orion 15, sorry. And a 6th order. Go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't, and subscribe. They're really good. Yeah.
white snap. Push the stuff. I'm going. You going. We go.
Wow.
About as much as I can do there.
Still good bandwidth, man. It still likes what, high 30s to what, 60 hertz or something like that?
That port maybe dropped it down 2 hertz.
Yeah.
If that. And it didn't really make much difference.
Yes,
at all.
sir.
It sounds cleaner though. It's
Yeah.
smoother. You know?
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
See you on the next one. Subscribe.